Hello everyone, let's learn today's Chinese character.
来
Next, let's watch the pronunciation demonstration.
来 了 I 来来回来回来我回来了我回来了上来上来大家上来吧大家上来吧快来快来快来我的频道学汉字吧快来我的频道学汉字吧
Please look at the stroke order of this character. This character is not complicated, but it should be written straight, not crooked. Surprisingly, this character originally meant wheat. Later, it was borrowed to mean coming or arriving. In Chinese culture, it represents moving from another place to here, carrying the meanings of greeting, expectation, and return, symbolizing the coming of good things and a fulfilling life. This stroke should be written longer. It is the center of the character and determines the overall structure. This lesson is over. Goodbye.